Chef D is back in our canteen and making some delicious dishes using some local and fresh ingredients.
Exactly, but first you're going to try some olive oil.
Okay.
I just want you to try this olive oil by itself. This is from Chile, and just nice little pepper, but fresh buttery flavor to it.
Ooh, nice and smooth. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
Oh, that's so good. Okay. We're going to get started with our dressing first, okay?
Okay.
So, yes, some of it's going to be local because we're getting all these great greens in right now. You know, and this is what's so great about this time of year. Thank goodness winter's over.
I know.
Right? So, I was at the grocery, I was at actually Vincenzo's, one of my favorite stores, and they had this rosé wine vinegar.
I've never seen this before.
I know, neither have I. So I went, okay, let's do it. So we're going to add about a quarter cup into a quarter cup of tahini already, okay?
Okay.
Then what I've done is I've taken some oranges and I've just literally zested the oranges just to get a little bit more orange flavor, but you don't want to go down into the pith because if you go in the pith, it's going to get really bitter on you quickly, okay?
Yep.
So fast forward, we have juice of 3 oranges.
Nice.
And that's going to go in there. A little bit of Dijon.
The citrus smell is just
Right.
overpowering.
I did put it, I did take it off. There we go. A touch of honey.
Okay.
And then just a little bit of salt and pepper. We need a little bit of salt and pepper.
Pick it up. Yep.
Right? And we're just going to whisk this together.
Okay.
And then as we slowly whisk it, we're going to add in our olive oil.
Wow, this smells unreal.
And we're going to probably add in about a cup of olive oil. Right? And gives it that really nice nutty flavor from the tahini.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to hit it with just a little bit of cilantro. Now, if you're not a cilantro fan, use basil, you know?
Okay. Yeah, there's not much gray area with cilantro. It's
No,
either like it or
you
you
don't
hate it.
like it or
Yeah.
don't, right? Okay, so then I have some raw cashews. Again, we have enough salt in what we're doing here, so
Yeah.
let's take this. And then, like I said, when we started the show, I was at Barry's Asparagus the other day, and he had all this, like he's starting to grow his lettuces out on the out in the porch. So he had some of this. So and then we're gonna add a little bit of butternut squash.
Okay.
Right. Then I have some pea shoots.
Nice.
Right. And then our cashews.
It's going to add a little bit of texture, right?
Right.
More texture with the cashews.
100%. So you're getting your protein, you're getting everything in here. And then some radicchio. Now this is, okay, we got some sweet happening here. We got a nice, like, savory dressing. Now we're gonna add a little bit of bitterness to it with the radicchio, right?
Yeah.
And just look how pretty
And some
that-
color as well, yeah.
100%, right? Because we all eat with our eyes.
That's right.
And then
If it looks good, we're going to eat it.
100%. So then I thought, well, what if we try and find a protein that's inexpensive
Yes.
right now?
There's not many on the list, but
So your local, grocery store, Costco, whoever, they all have these rotisserie chickens, right?
everyone's got
All
one
right,
now.
so we're going to add in a little bit of rotisserie chicken.
Okay.
And sometimes, if you go later in the day, they have sales on them. And
This is true, because they want to, clear out the stuff,
100%.
right? Yeah.
And then just put it in the fridge and you can freeze it, whatever,
Now, do you have a go-to lettuce, like red leaf, green leaf,
yes. So this
romaine?
is, I love, kind of like the butter lettuces, right?
Yeah. Nice and smooth, kind of.
100%. And these are grown here in Ontario year-round in Leamington. Fantastic. So please check them out. Okay, so we got our dressing done. Now we're just going to, we're friends here.
Yeah, we're friends.
I forgot to bring another spoon.
And this is a thick dressing. So this is going to bind things together.
100%. And then if you wanted to, you could actually take the lettuces in. I brought a metal bowl, you can mix type thing.
Yeah.
And then if you just a little bit of garnish, because I like this, is that you just want a little bit of balsamic glaze.
Yeah. We got under 2 minutes, by the way.
Okay.
That looks so pretty.
Right. So there's number one, and I'm just going to show you. You try that while
I'll dive into this.
Okay, perfect.
So you're making another one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just
Well,
more-
go ahead,
more
Chef D,
radicchio.
and enjoy my breakfast here.
Okay, perfect. This one is just with our roasted squash.
Whoa, wow.
Right? How good is that?
That is really good.
So we're just going to mix this together. Then we're going to take our lettuces. Now, I'm going to break the lettuces up just a little bit more for this one.
That is delicioso.
And then I just want to show you how quick and easy this can be to make a quick vinaigrette.
I'm ready for number 2, by the way.
Okay, perfect. So now we're going to use some red wine vinegar.
Okay.
All right.
For extra measure. A little olive oil, yep.
Yeah.
And we got 1 minute.
Okay, perfect. And then we're just going to take it. We're going to use your hand,
Who needs tongs?
right?
Fingers work just as well.
Perfect.
And then you get to lick the fingers, which is an added bonus.
Just again,
And that's it.
that's it.
Really?
That's it. That's how simple these dressings can be.
Wow, that took no time at all.
Right? There you go. Try that.
That was literally 30 seconds. All right, so what's your secret to making a good salad?
Keep the vinaigrette, like, don't dress it, right? You want all the flavors of the butternut squash, the lettuces. You want all that to come through, right?
so good.
And then what's going to happen is with just a little bit of the vinegar, it's going to make all those flavors pop.
Yeah.
But don't overdress them. Don't overdress them.
Too much dressing is a
It's
killer.
not good, 100%.
Chef
you
T,
know?
thanks as always for dropping by,
Good to
making
see
some
you.
awesome salads. We're going to continue eating here. Enjoy your breakfast as well, and thanks for watching Morning Live. So tasty.